Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI CEO, there's something you need to know first. Because this might be the most dangerous AI tool of 2026. Not because it's bad, but because it's replacing something most people can't survive without: decision-making. And once you see this, you'll understand why smart entrepreneurs are quietly switching to this. Before I break everything down, if you decide to get AI CEO, make sure you use my link in the description because I'm giving away 2 exclusive bonuses worth over 500 plus. These are designed to help you actually make money with this, not just use it. What is AI CEO? AI CEO is the world's first multi-CEO AI system that gives you access to a full team of 20 AI CEOs, each one specialized in marketing, sales, growth, and strategy. And here's the crazy part. You don't type, you talk to them face-to-face like a real meeting. It's like having your own private boardroom, but powered by AI, available 24/7. Benefits. Why people are interested. Here's why this is blowing up right now. No hiring expensive consultants, no $1,000 a month coaching fees. Instant business decisions, 24/7 guidance, anytime you want. Multiple expert opinions in seconds. And the biggest shift? People are no longer guessing. They're making CEO-level decisions instantly. That alone can completely change your results. Inside AI CEO, you're getting 20 different AI CEOs with unique expertise, face-to-face voice interaction, no typing needed. Strategy planning system, marketing and sales guidance, business decision support, unlimited conversations, and 24/7 availability. Plus, you can switch between CEOs depending on your situation and get step-by-step action plans instantly. It's basically like having a team of consultants without paying salaries.
Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep it real.
Pros. Beginner-friendly, saves time plus mental stress, no monthly fees, huge advantage, instant guidance and unique concept, not just another chatbot. Cons. Not a magic money tool. You still need to take action and depends on how you ask questions. So yeah, it's powerful, but only if you use it properly. Results. What you can expect. Better decisions, faster growth, clear direction in your business, less confusion and overthinking. But let me be clear, this won't make you rich overnight. It gives you clarity, and clarity equals better execution equals better results. Now here's where it gets really interesting. If you grab AI CEO through my link, you'll get Bonus 1, AI Decision Domination Blueprint, $297. Learn how to use AI CEO to make high-converting business decisions, build profitable strategies, and avoid costly mistakes. This turns AI CEO into a real profit system. Bonus 2, AI Business Growth Toolkit, $297. You'll get proven marketing frameworks, traffic strategies, and funnel optimization methods. So you don't just get advice, you actually know how to execute. Total bonus value, $594. Yours free with my link. So, is AI CEO worth it? If you struggle with decision-making, business clarity, and strategy planning, then yes, this is actually a very smart investment. So if you're serious, click the link in the description. Lock in your access and grab all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.